Trane has a reputation as one of the best HVAC manufacturers in the United States. In this video, we'll discuss the best Trane dealers in Columbus, Ohio. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire & Ice. As a Trane dealer here in Central Ohio, we have installed thousands of Trane HVAC systems over the years. Time and time again, our customers express how much they appreciate the equipment for its quality and reliability. We understand completely and even use Trane systems in our own homes as well. In fact, we believe in Trane so much that we've created a list of the top Trane dealers in the area. Why? We understand that Fire & Ice is not for everyone, and we hope that this alphabetical list will give you more options. Without further ado, let's jump in and look at our list of Columbus, Ohio's top Trane dealers. To start off our list is Franklin Heating, Cooling, and Refrigeration. They've been around since 1994 and are located in Groveport. Along with Trane products, Franklin also sells and installs Carrier, Honeywell, Goodman, Tempstar, and Payne products. They believe in offering a variety of brands so their customers can find what they're looking for. John Hederscheit took over ownership from his father in 1996. From 2003 to 2013, John was the chair for Columbus's Heat the Town program, a program in which local HVAC companies volunteer their time and materials to help those in need prepare for winter. Heder sells and installs Trane and Tempstar residential HVAC products. Speaking of philanthropy, relative newcomer Keystone Heating and Cooling is next on our list. They were founded in Canal, Winchester in 2015, and they specialize in Trane residential and commercial HVAC products. For every system they install, the company donates $50 to the Canal Winchester VFW in the customer's name. In 1969, the Logan family founded Logan AC and Heat Services in the Miami Valley. In 2002, ownership shifted hands to current owner Jim Meyer. Today, they serve Dayton, Columbus, and Cincinnati. They sell and install Trane, Rheem, and Mitsubishi residential HVAC products. Rounding out our list is Weston Air Heating and Cooling. The company was founded in 2005 by longtime friends Wesley Shankland and Justin Peters. Weston Air has offices in Westerville and Sunbury, and they sell and install Trane residential and commercial HVAC products. Before we get to the next section, if you're enjoying this video this far, give us a like and leave a comment. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have more content on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. In Columbus, Ohio, with so many options, it becomes difficult to choose the right one. Trane equipment is known for its reliability, and you should expect the same from the HVAC contractor you decide to go with. To help, we've identified 5 things you should look for when choosing an HVAC contractor. First is the standards and care for their employees. Are they independent contractors or W-2'd employees with benefits? From what we've seen, systems installed or repaired by independent contractors are often poor and end up costing the customer in the long run. At Fire & Ice, all of our employees are accountable for the quality of the work they do, not just the amount of work they do. Next is training. We believe in continuing education and have invested in Central Ohio's largest training center, where we provide our technicians with over 200 hours of continuing education per year. We also encourage and reimburse our technicians for any certifications they achieve. Third are sales tactics. If you've ever experienced high-pressure sales, you know how painful it can be. At Fire & Ice, we understand deciding to purchase a new HVAC system is a big decision that will impact your indoor comfort for the next 20 or so years. That's why we never use high-pressure tactics. Fourth are load calculations. One way to maximize the performance of any HVAC system is to have it properly sized to your home. And the best way to do this is to have a load calculation performed during a sales consultation. Oftentimes, this process is skipped and HVAC contractors will just use the same system that you had previously and guess based on the size of your home. Last are installation practices and follow-up. If corners are cut and less accurate tools are being used, it's likely your system will fail sooner than it should. That's why we use the most accurate digital tools and up-to-date installation practices to ensure your system is installed right the first time. If you're not 100% satisfied, we'll work to find the solution to make it right. I hope by now you have the knowledge and confidence to choose the best HVAC contractor that's right for you and your home. If you're in Central Ohio and you would like to schedule an estimate or service for your HVAC system, visit our website in the link below. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.